work on developing modern UI based applications. Let's look at, in the subsequent slides, we'll go through what those principles are and what are those certain guidelines that need to be kept in mind. So, you can think of the modern UI as two things. One as a design language, and the other as a runtime environment. Now, as a design language, the modern UI provides certain standards and guidelines. Those standards and guidelines enable you to build rich, immersive modern UI-based applications, whereas a runtime environment provides you with the necessary services that are needed to execute those applications. Now, with this, let me just walk you through how the start screen of Windows 8 looks like. So this is the start screen. As you can see, there are these beautiful colored boxes that you see on the screen. These are nothing but tiles. They are application tiles, and these tiles are they are self-updating in their content. As you would see, on some of these tiles, the content is changing automatically. So, and this content can get updated even if your applications are not running in the background. So each of this tile represents a modern UI-based application. So this self-updation of content is something which gives you very immersive, user experience. And similarly, there are several other features on Windows 8 and modern UI which makes the whole experience more immersive and engaging, which we will cover during the course of this session. The other important aspect of modern UI-based apps is a clear focus on topography of the applications. So let me show you one of the favorite applications, my favorite applications, which is the People's app. So this application, look at the way the content has been laid out. There are clear, bold titles, there are clear, bold headings on top. The overall content of this application flows from left to right in a horizontal manner. Clearly you can see text, you can select items, and so on and so forth. So Metro lays a lot of focus on the topography of the applications. The third important aspect about modern UI is the ability to run on multiple platforms. So modern UI-based applications can run on a plethora of devices, which is starting from your desktops to laptops to tablets to mobile phones, and so on and so forth. Now let's get back to the presentation to look at what is that one thing that enables this running of support for multiple devices.